Okay, for the first one, I want to find the mean number of sweets. That's going to be the number of sweets in one packet. So that's going to be the mean. It's going to be the total number of sweets divided by the total number of packets. So it's just going to be the two numbers above divided, this number on the left divided by the one on the right. Okay, so let's do that. 1.47 to the power times 10 to the power of 7. Okay, we can use the standard form button. Divided by 3.5 times 10 to the 5. That equals 42. You could maybe show an extra line of working with this divided by this in it, but I think it's okay to leave it like that. Interestingly, this is a nice whole number. You wouldn't necessarily expect that for the mean number, but hey, that's what it is. Sweets are made on 288 days of the year. Calculate the number of sweets made each year. It's going to be the number made every day times by the number of days that we actually make them. So again, let's use our calculator for this. 1.47 times 10 to the power of 7 times 288. And that gives us 42336 with 5 zeros. 42336 5 zeros. Let's convert it to standard form. So the decimal point is here. We're moving it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 places backwards. So it's 4.2336 times 10 to the 9. I think it was 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. We don't want to round that. That is an exact answer. Okay. Company has 152 machines making the sweets. Each machine operates for 15 hours each day. Calculate the number of sweets made by one machine each hour, rounding to the nearest 10. So we know, let's just come back to it, we know 1.47 times 10 to the 7 the number of sweets made in one day. The number of machines is 152, and the number of hours they each work is 15. So this is a three-way proportion question. We can work out how much the 152 make in 1 hour by dividing by 15. We can do, so back to this 1.47 again, times 10 to the 7 divided by 15, and that gives us 980,000. So that's what the 152 machines can make in 1 hour. And now I can, to work out what one machine works, I can divide by 152. So I've got my answer, just divide that by 152. And I get 6447.3. 6447.3. That's with one machine in 1 hour. It says round it to the nearest 10, so my final answer will be 6450. State one assumption you've made in part C, part 1, and there's a few answers accepted for this. Okay, here they are. So we've assumed when we've done this calculation that each machine makes the same amount of sweets. Actually, it's not possible because we've got a decimal answer. It won't quite be, once we've rounded it. But it gives us the rough kind of answer if they did pretty much work at the same amount of sweets. We've assumed there's no breakdowns, they're running at the same rate, and they run for the same time, or an equivalent answer to that. So yeah, that's all good, and that's that question done.